Okay, what we've been tasked with now is to change a tap washer. Okay, what's a tap washer? Well, inside this metal brass tap, common household tap, this one here is 15mm in diameter, so we know that this will be for a sink downstairs or a cloakroom toilet, cloakroom basin downstairs. What we've got to do is try and replace something that's inside here. Now, looking at this, you think, where would I start? Well, the initial place to start is by removing this cap. Now, we're going to use a little flathead screwdriver. You could use a Stanley knife or a pin. And what we're going to do is just push down on the plastic here, and then we are going to remove this little cap, just like this, to reveal a screw. Let's not lose our parts, let's put them all down quite nicely. And as you can see now, we've gone from a flathead to a crosshead or a Phillips screwdriver. So we need our Phillips screw to remove this. So remembering to keep them all in order. Screw there. This means this hot cap, or this colour cap, will come off. And then we've got the actual tap head itself. Now we've removed that screw because this head fits on a little spline or a spindle, and if we just give it a gentle wiggle, we can pull it off, and that reveals the inside. Now this is called a tap insert. We've got loads of rubber components here, and it's this bit that we turn with the heads on that makes something go up and down, and that's what we're trying to get inside. So we get our adjustable spanner. You can see it's on the top. We adjust it so it goes over the top, and then we turn it anti-clockwise to remove the tap insert. And this is what the insert looks like. And if we look inside there, that shiny round disc, that is where that rubber washer will actually sit, and when we turn the head, this bit will come down. So if I turn the spindle, you can now see it coming down and now going back up. But it's this black rubber washer that we need to move. Now, it's a really small nut that's on the top, so we use our adjustable grips and we turn the nut, being very careful not to lose it. And now we've got to take this washer out and replace it. So once again, I'm going to get my little flathead screwdriver in the edge between the brass and the rubber, quite easily down there, and we're just going to prise that out with our thumb now, and then we can take the rubber out. In this case, I'm just going to turn it over. So we take the new washer, we put it back on top, and we just go the reverse of the same process. Washer in, nut back on, we tighten it up so it's tight and a little bit more. We place the tap head back, insert back into the tap head itself, tighten it up, get our spanner, tight, a little bit more. There's that spindle that we said with the grooves that places inside. We put the head back on, put our red cap back on, our screw back in the top. We can spin this round with our fingers at this time. A little flathead, crosshead screwdriver, just so it's nice and tight, not over tight, like that. And last thing is we put our cap back on the top. All done. And that's how you change a tap insert washer.